Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you the second wave of team transport, which you can see the number 4, 5 and 6. Let's take a look at the back of the car first. In this wave actually there's another Nissan Laurel which we already have seen it in the set number 1 or wave A, and this we're going to take a look at these 3 cars here. So first off, car number 4, 72 Plymouth Cuda funny car rhetoric. Take a closer look. Good year tire with all the sponsors at the side, the Plymouth logo. The front, it's not a bad casting, but it's not really my favorite, but I'll collect it, so I have a complete set. I forgot to see the artwork. As usual, very nice, very detailed. Art collector will like it. Second car in red, Plymouth Duster funny car rhetoric. So it do look a bit similar with the yellow one. Take a look, and quite nice to have. Can't say much about this, not very familiar with a Plymouth car. Look at the detail of the sponsor on the side, Mongoose, Tom McEwan. What about this one, the yellow one? Snake, Don Pruhome. I think American viewer will know what is this. Who are they? So this car number 5. Car number 6, which is my favorite, definitely, with Momo livery, Porsche 962 Fleet Flyer. Take a look at the artwork. Team transport, car number 6. The front of the truck, Momo number 30, and the whole strip of logo here, and the Porsche, of course, 962. Quite a nice set, and in fact I quite like the color, the red, quite brilliant. The transporter, okay, not so bad actually. So this is wave number 2 of team transport. Do let me know which one do you prefer, which one you like the most in the comment below. And my next video I'm going to open up team transport wave C, which is series number 3. I have my order of team transport number 4 already from a distributor, so that will not become any time soon. So let me know which is the set that you like in this, among these 3. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye. And also, of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.